So, hi, this is have a chunk of metal and I've got a GoPro here, can record it all, and I'm just gonna be doing smash it. So, find something for smashy smash. Everything's frozen. There we go. Landline somewhat near. It'll do. GoPro's on. Start recording. We are recording. So, sorry for back camera angles. You can release that. I'm doing it one-handed. Oh no, I should probably not do that. And you could get good camera angles, get the views. So, there we go. It missed again. Yeah, it's good. I've got a brick. This is so big that it is massive. So, pull it up here. If you're wondering, it is heavy. And yes, this is dangerous. But there's someone who just doesn't care, and that's me. Okay, so I can't get you a decent camera angle. I'll just for a sec. But at least, I hope not. Go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's assess the damage. Okay, so okay, so you can crack it. So we won't do that, but I've got something to show you. So, it's a chunk of ice first, a massive piece of metal. Yeah, that should do it. Hopefully that should get me a couple of views at least, like at very least. So, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, that looks good. I'm going to get there because it's pretty boring. And yes, I will get it. And subscribe for more smashy videos. So, it's big, and yes, I am making it into an anvil. There's a round edge, and there's a flat edge, and this is a flat, and that's loads of risk. So, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, do all that Jiva thing, and yeah, subscribe for more.